hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to do a how-to eyeliner or wing liner, and this is something that's been requested by Little Miss Nat in one of my most recent videos. And I do have eyeshadow going on because I am filming another video which you guys will be seeing next week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so the first thing I want to say that eyeliner takes practice. It took me quite a few years to get a hang of it. I did start out using tape, so I used to put like tape out here, and that was like my little training wheels. Some people say that they use like a card or something just to hold there and make the line. All of those tips do work. I really did enjoy using tape. Sometimes it did like bleed through the tape and then it would make a mess, but it did help me out, and I have been doing wing liner on myself for about 2 or 3 years already, so I've gotten a hang of it already, and I kind of want to share some tips that I have, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first, let's talk about different kinds of liners that there are out there. First, I want to touch on the felt tip or pen form liner, which I have 3 of right here, and it's just like a regular eyeliner, and it comes like in a little like marker form, and this is like my favorite form of eyeliner. My second favorite is the like dipping pot eyeliner, which would look like this, and it is like in a little pot, and it comes with the little liner right here. So these were a little tougher for me to get used to using just because it is in a little pot form, but it's essentially the same thing. It just takes practice like everything else. And I do have like this colorful like brown situation. And then the last form is like a stamp. If you've seen like those stamping goes, this is by Ebin New York, and it does come with a liner on one side, kind of like a chubby liner, and then a stamp on the other. I just stopped using it. I don't know why. Maybe we'll use it today. I don't know. But I do want to use some of my Project Pan liners. I do have 2 of them in my Project Pan. One of them is this Cherimoya eyeliner, and as you can see, it's the marker form. And then the other one is like a dipping one, which you guys have seen quite a lot. So let's get started. The first thing that I do is I take this graphics liner. Of course, you don't have to use 2 different liners. I use it because it's in my Project Pan. So the first thing I do is I take the liner and I draw a line across my lid. Not my lid, my upper lash line. And I do it kind of messily, but it depends on what kind of liner do you want. Do you want like a thick liner? If you want a thin liner, you draw it really thin. I just go with whatever happens, and I do pull on my eyelid just because it makes it easier for me to make that line straight. Okay, next I take this Cherimoya liner, and I usually go out here, and where the tear duct, like the outer tear duct is, I just kind of do like a little flick. So I put it in, not too much in, and then just let it do its thing, and it creates a line, and then I just extend it. Then I go on the other side, I do the same thing. I put it here like in the outer corner, I let it go up, and it just creates like this natural, like where the line would actually go if I was going up. I like my eyeliner to be kind of pointing up. Then I go back and I darken it up and extend the line and just fill in. Of course, you try to get the challenge is to try to make them look the same. Of course, you could go back and use concealer to try to like make it more sharp. I really like these type of wings. Then I go in with an eyeliner, like a black liner, and I tie line. I always purchase mine from Dollar Tree, only $1. I have 2 recommendations. I have the first one, which is the Ebin 24-hour eyeliner in black. That one's really good. It only retails for $2.99. I'll have it linked down below, as well as the e.l.f. liner, which is only $1.99, and that one comes in a dip form. If you want to try that one. Also, the Stamp and Go by Ebin, the one that I showed you guys, is pretty good. So that is how I do my eyeliner. I hope it helped you at least a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. All the items that I mentioned in today's video will be down below, the names of the prices and some of the links, so you could go and see if you want to purchase it or not, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. If you're interested in sticking around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high-end. and it would be amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.